Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Man, I do apologize. I have failed y'all all. Come on back and I'll tell you what happened.
Can you feel me? Can you feel me? We Backwoods Raised. Yeehaw! Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? We Backwoods.
Oh man, so yeah, I'm recording, doing my slingshot, cutting it up, or cutting it out and getting it ready to get some bands on it. Well, when I'm doing some recording, sometimes I mess up and I have to go back and I have to edit or delete some to have room on my phone because I'm recording on my cell phone at the moment. And I deleted the part where I'm cutting my slingshot out of the HDPE. Oh man, took it to the bandsaw. I traced out the shape of the slingshot and just went onto the bandsaw and cut around the line, and then my shape comes out. So this is the shape of the slingshot. So I do apologize. I deleted that, and there's no way to getting it back. I looked, my memory is full, so it automatically deleted. On iPhones you can go back to recently deleted videos and pull it back, but not this time. But that's my slingshot. Let's get it all cleaned up, get the edges and all that done. So let's go do that and I'll be right back. Well, what I want to do now is where I made my cuts with the bandsaw, I want to take it to my little grinder here and just sand some of that down, make it a little bit more smoother. So let's point down to this grinder right here. Alright, now that I got it squared off pretty good and I got some of those bandsaw cuts out of it, I want to take it over to my router, my table router, and I want to route a bevel all the way around these edges here. So let's go over and check it out. This will actually be my first time using a router of any kind, so I got a 1/4 inch bevel router on here, and we're going to give it a shot. First I got to plug it up. Holy cow, that thing is loud. Like I said, I've never used one of them before, but it was pretty interesting. That thing is super fast. Do not put your fingers where you think it's going to get hurt. You've seen whenever I was moving the wood, my finger, if the blade's on this side, my finger's on this side. But I got some edges right here that I want to shapen up, but just like I said with this, you can do the same thing with a piece of wood. So I got a wood file. Let me get that right quick. Alright, so I got a little wood rasp, and I'm just going to take those edges off. Alright, this one has the sharp edges, this one's rounded over. Just like I said, you can use anything that you do with a piece of wood, but a faster way, go back over here to this grinder, let's get this other side, and I'll smooth out this side too, because this is the part where my bands will be going on, so I don't want no roughness on that to cut up my band. Let's go over to the sander right quick. Got those nice and rounded over. Well, I guess I can block the light. Got those nice and rounded over. Alright, let's go to the next step. Okay, once you got everything rounded off like this, got the bevel on there so there's no sharp edges, rounded off my ends, that's where my bands is going to go. You got to have a groove cut out right here to wrap your rubber band to hold the band on there. Well, what I got is a little compass, pencil compass, and I will just see about how far I want it and then I will make a line across each side like this, all the way around the edge. That way my line all the way around will be even. So this is a pretty neat little tool to have. So let me get this marked out and I'll be right back with you. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's a line there. I know you can't see it on here, but it goes across there. I just take a little triangle file and just file some grooves in it. Let me file that in right quick. Okay, so I did cheat a little bit. I went over to the bandsaw after I made my mark and cut a groove all the way around it, and then cleaned it up with that file. So yeah, that's it. So that's your slingshot, made out of recycled HDPE. I got some bands ordered. They're taking a little bit longer than what I thought to come in because, of course, I ordered them from freaking China. So it takes like a week to come in. But the rubber and the pouches, the leather pouches, are coming in, and I'll do a video of attaching them to this and showing you how I do it. I'm no slingshot expert, but by God, we can get it done. So yeah, that's it. That's a slingshot, guys and gals. This slingshot is not like your normal slingshot you get from the store. You don't hold it like this and pull. You hold it like that. That's why these two are on here. So you hold the slingshot like that and then pull back, and you kind of tilt down like that a little bit, and then you shoot. So I forgot the name that I copied this off of. This is not my design. I'll put the name down in the description below of what this is. But that's it, man. I think it's pretty neat. Recycled HDPE. Alright guys, I know y'all been waiting to see this thing finished out, and there it is. It took, a couple months, but if you stick to it and do it, it'll only take a day to do this. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. And be keeping an eye out for some more videos that I've got with this HDPE. I've got some pretty interesting comments on some other videos that I'm going to be doing and trying out just for y'all. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. Remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.
Can you feel me? Can you feel me?